Difference between S1 and E4. 1. Motion control unit comparison. S1 is designed with stepper motors to drive X or Y. With the belt drive design, after long-term use, the belt will loosen, resulting in a decrease in the accuracy of repeated placement. Stepper motors can also lose steps due to long-term operation. In order to solve these problems, E4 uses servo and lead screw as X and Y motion control, which has higher speed and repeated positioning accuracy. 2. Grading feedback solutions. S1 uses a flexible grating with a beam type. Ambient temperature changes will cause the grating to deform. It will produce errors after long-term use. In addition, its installation location is very hidden, replacement is complicated, cleaning and maintenance are also difficult. The new design uses a metal composite grating scale, which is installed on the surface of the moving structure, with good stability and simple cleaning and maintenance. 3. Camera and light source comparison. The S1 has only 2 million pixels and a field of view of 12 × 12 mm. There is no zoom function during programming, and the plain light source can only be used to identify marking points. The E4 camera has 5 megapixels, and the size can be switched during programming. The identification of marking points is also more accurate. In addition, the light source design uses a ring light and a hint field dual light source. The brightness can be controlled by PWM. It can well identify pads and components, and can also clearly see the characters on the surface of the device for bulk material identification. 4. Highly integrated control circuit. S1 designed 12 PCBs to control the machine. The wiring is complicated, and many parts need to be disassembled when a fault occurs, which is inconvenient for after-sales service. The E4 main control box has only one PCB, and each functional module is equipped with a status LED, which can be used to quickly identify the problem when a fault occurs. The main control box is equipped with a maintenance lighting. 5. Controller solution. The S1 operating system uses the Raspberry Pi, which has relatively weak performance, and there will be lags and stuttering when using the control software. E4 directly uses an industrial computer, which has a much higher main frequency and memory than the Raspberry Pi. The software operation is very smooth, and system data backup and other operations are also more convenient. 6. PCB Track. S1 uses one track design, and the communication interface is not an international standard, so there will be compatibility issues when connecting with other SMT equipment. E4 uses the 3-section track of the SMT industry standard and the international standard interface for communication. It can connect to international standard equipment. At the same time, the interface parameters can also be configured in the software to match some non-standard equipment. The entire track uses a pure electric design and does not require external air supply. Three sections of track work simultaneously without interfering with each other. 7. New features not available on S1. Intelligent feeder. E4 uses a brand new electric feeder design, which is also our patented product. Each feeder has a unique electronic tag function, which can be used with our system to automatically identify the feeder. Electronic tags can be used to prevent materials from being misplaced and manage materials when there are many types of materials. After the feeder changes position, the equipment can automatically match with one click. Safety emergency stop switch. The E4 utilizes a protection strategy that disconnects power to the power system separately from the control system power supply. Thus, the system is protected as much as possible, and the customer has more time to analyze the problem and save data. Online upgrade of the whole machine. The whole device consists of several nodes and is unified through the CAN bus for linkage. When the machine nodes have loopholes or new functions, they can be realized through this online upgrade function. Automatic nozzle change. E4 supports automatic nozzle change, and the head has the function of automatically recognizing the standard nozzle model. It supports the strategy logic of matching the package according to the nozzle model and can be programmed to change the nozzle in real time during the work. Bulk material placement system. The E4 has a powerful light source that recognizes the characteristics of most conventional materials, makes it easy to build material templates, and accurately identifies characters and polarity so that even bulk materials can be accurately mounted. Breakpoint continuation. All mounting files in the working mode of the device have a breakpoint renewal function, and the mounting file can be loaded to continue the original work process after restarting from an accidental power failure during the work. Semi-automatic robot mode. Simulation of manipulators for replenishment and dispersion of materials. E4 is not only an end machine, but also a symbol of intelligent manufacturing. It combines advanced mechanical design, precise control technology, and intelligent functions in one. Thank you for choosing us.